There's been some changes to how Meta allows you to delete or deactivate your Instagram account. In the past, it was pretty easy to find, but in one of the new updates in 2023, they buried the option kind of deep in the menu settings. I'll show you where to find the option to delete your Instagram account, but also while we're in there, if you're not sure you want to delete it, how to at least deactivate your account for a while. I'm on a creator account, so you might see a few options in mine that you won't have, but the deletion process works the same. Start by opening the Instagram app and then choosing your profile icon on the bottom right. Next, tap the 3-line menu on the top right, and then inside of here, choose Settings and Privacy. Now that Meta has combined all of its products, this is where it gets different than before. Choose Account Center here at the top. After that, choose Personal Details, and then underneath of your personal info, you'll see Account Ownership and Control. Select that. Here's where you're going to find the deactivate or delete options. To start the process, choose the account that you want to delete if you have more than one. You'll then get to a screen where you can choose if you want to deactivate or delete. If you just want to hide your account from being found and viewed on Instagram, you can choose deactivate. This option is temporary and your account will be hidden until you reactivate it or log back in. The second option is to delete. Deleting your account is permanent and it'll delete all of your info like photos, followers, likes, and more. Make your choice and then hit continue. Next, give a reason and then continue again. After that, enter your password and confirm again that you actually want to delete your account. After your account is deleted, you can then sign up with the same username in the future or add it to another account if you want to do that. It says that your account info can be stored up to 90 days before Instagram permanently deletes everything. But for the most part, it'll all be deleted after about 30 days. This is just in case if you change your mind or if something needs to be pulled. And that's how you permanently delete your Instagram account inside of the app in 2023.